Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and today's video is going to be such an interesting one. The reason is because today's video I'm going to show you guys how you could make a social media account such as WhatsApp without using your own real phone number. Well, as you know, WhatsApp requires you to have a phone number, right? But let's say you need some privacy and you do not want your phone number to be revealed to everyone. So what is the step what you could do, and what are the errors which you would face during the steps and ways to resolve them? Everything is being covered in this video, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Now let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. Well, there are actually two ways with which you can use a WhatsApp using a virtual number. Virtual number is something which is not your real number and which is available virtually from a lot, and you just take one and use it for a temporary use. You can also maintain the virtual number for a longer period of time if you just pay, or if you just stay active and keep using that number. Just remember, in this video I'll be showing you guys only the free methods with which you can make your WhatsApp account without using your own phone number. Well, the first method is going to be just going to Google and you should just search this free US number for OTP. There are a lot of websites which provide you a free number such as this. Just remember, this is not an promotion to any site or something, but just say I'm going to use a USA number. The thing is that when I sign up for WhatsApp, I would get an OTP, right? I just enter this number, and when I receive an OTP, the list of top 50 SMS is going to be received. As you can see, there is an Amazon OTP, there is an Meta OTP. Well, like this, using this number, you can use it for any social media application, not only WhatsApp. Not only for social media, for your other personal uses also can you use this. But just remember, this method actually carries a bit of risk. The thing is that if you are using it for personal use and you share some personal information, at any time your number can be revoked by a new person who obtains this number. So be careful and keep the risks in mind. The next step which I'm going to show you is completely risk-free and with which you can have your own personal WhatsApp, and where you can share your personal private things, where you can keep the number for yourself for as long as you pay or for as long as you are keeping the number active. Well, the way which I was offering is to use the virtual number applications which provides you with a second phone number such as Text Plus. Well, there are a lot of applications which provide you with a second phone number, but one of the best applications for WhatsApp account is obviously going to be Text Plus. Well, if you want to know the reasons and everything and stuff, just make sure to follow our channel where we would cover everything in depth. So this is the proofs which I got when I made my WhatsApp account. I got my WhatsApp code. As you can see, these are the SMS which I received from the WhatsApp corporation. Well, just remember, this method also carries a bit of risk. The thing is that this is my number. As you can see, your number may get revoked anytime if you are inactive for a week, or if you are a premium user, you can keep the number for as long as active. But as we are focusing on the free steps, we must make sure that we make an outgoing call or SMS and we receive an incoming call or SMS within a week. So if you are not active in the duration, then your number is going to get revoked and your number is going to be given to someone else, where they will be able to obtain your WhatsApp details and they will be able to use your accounts and everything. Well, if you're going to take a look at the problems, both the steps has problems. The first step does not have any specific problem, but the second step has specific problems, such as when you are going to obtain a number, you may get errors like this if you're using the Text Plus or Next Plus application instead of this. This is the actual page which you should get when you receive a number, but there are chances where your IP is going to get blocked and you may not be provided with. Well, there are a lot of ways with which you can solve the errors, and I posted a video in my channel itself where you can solve the errors. This video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. I would pinned a comment, so please go make sure to check the comment section before quitting this video, or please take a look at the pinned comment which will contain a lot of important videos link, not only this. Now, if we are going to take a look at the errors which may occur in the WhatsApp application, there are primarily two errors. The first one is going to be, we couldn't send an SMS to your number, please check your number and try again in an hour. This error actually happens when your number is actually blocklisted by the WhatsApp service. So in order to rectify the errors, all you have to do is just change your number from the Text Plus or any other second number application. The next error is going to be, your mobile number is not a valid mobile number for the country United States. Well, this error happens because the +1 is not only occupied for the United States, but entire the North American continent uses the +1 number. Let's say Canada also has the same +1 presidents, while US also has the same +1 presidents, but just the area code is going to change. In order to solve or rectify this error, you'd have to go and watch this video. This is a very important video which will help you rectify both of the WhatsApp errors. Now guys, I hope this video was clear and informative to you. The thing is that I have an important update in my channel after 2024. The thing is that our channel has become monetized recently, so now you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from our channel. And after you have subscribed, you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. Just go, please click on join button and take a look at the perks which you may get from being a member of our community. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then just don't forget to click on the thumbs up button located below this video. This is me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.